Okay, today on Buke's World, we'll show you how to save your Reebok Fuse sneakers right after this.
In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it.
Okay, today we're going to do a quick video to show you how to save your Reebok Jet Fuse sneaker when the sole separates from the bubble. I'm going to use a very simple, straightforward, very simplistic method of using some super glue. Here we go. Just use any super glue, whichever brand you like. They all pretty much work the same. Some are better than others. Some are cheaper than others. But here we go. What I'm going to do is just take this super glue. I'm going to spread it on my bubble. Now, you can choose to turn the shoe upside down and spread it on the sole. Either way works. This way just happens to be a little bit easier, turning the shoe upside down and giving it a good coating of super glue all the way around, as you see. Once you've put all the super glue all the way around, the next step is very simple. Depress your sole on top of the super glue and hold for a few. Now, you want to hold it for a nice minute or two. Don't be sloppy like I am and, put too much glue. But these are old pair of sneakers. I just like walking around in them. So it doesn't really matter to me, the look. Nevertheless, let's get back to the fix. Just keep depressing it for a while. You want to hold it for about a good minute or so to let it sit. Afterward, turn the shoe in its right position and let it sit for about a day, 24 hours, just to get a good cure. Once you feel comfortable that the glue has set, give it an initial flick test. See how I'm flicking it? Flick it lightly just to make sure that the glue has set and not coming out. You see there's little parts I could have done a little better, but I don't care. I just need to walk in the shoe. All right. So again, give it the flick test. And once you know it's not coming up, you're done. Problem solved. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in to Buke's World. And if this video has helped you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.